Welcome to my YouTube channel, MultiTasking India. Myself Rishi Goyal, and today in this video, I'm going to tell you about some popular hashtags that you will use on your YouTube Shorts to get it viral. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, remember some tips that I'm going to discuss with you in this video. So watch this full video so that you can get your shorts viral within half an hour. Okay, so first tip, do not use more than 3 hashtags on the title. You can use hashtag shorts, hashtag viral shorts, and hashtag related to your video. If, for example, your video is of a comedy, or you can say an education, then you can type hashtag education or hashtag digital marketing, hashtag comedy. Okay, so it depends on what topic you are creating your shorts. Second tip, you'll have to remember that on each short description, you don't have to add lot of hashtags in the description box. In the description option, you will only add 4 to 5 hashtags that can go viral. Okay, so what kind of hashtag you can use? YouTube shorts, shorts, shorts feed, short, and shorts India. If you are staying in other country, then you can write it down according to your country name, like shorts Canada, shorts USA, right, like that. Okay, and the topic on you are creating the video, so like hashtag comedy or hashtag digital marketing, like that. So these are the main shorts that I have told you in this video. I hope you like this video. These hashtags I have also told you in my previous video, day before yesterday. I hope you remember that those hashtags. Now these are the some new hashtags that you can use on your shorts. Now it doesn't guarantee that your if you are using these hashtags, then your YouTube shorts will go viral. It also depends on your content. If you are preparing a content on comedy, then it also depends on your content and your face expressions. Okay, if people will like your face expressions in comedy channel, then of course your videos can go viral. So it's not necessary that if you are putting a popular hashtags on title or description, then your videos can go viral. Okay, main part is that your thumbnail, your content, and your face expressions, these three major important points, you will have to work on it. Only then your videos or your shorts can go viral. So in this video, I just want to discuss with you all these things and what is more important in your shorts. So remember these 3 simple steps or tips that I have discussed with you, and most important, these 3 things like your thumbnail, your content, and your face expressions. So guys, if you like this video, please like and share it, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet in my next video. Till that time, thank you so much and have a great day.